Abeebembezi hamwe n'abakuru b'amashomero n'ab'ebyobwegyese mu district ya Ntungamo bateja gavumenti omuranga kweija kandi kongera Obuhereza obw'erukuhereza district. Ebi byagambwa aha mukoro ogw'okuhereza abaana 8 abatwirwe kushomesebwa gavumenti omu university aha bw'omwaka ogw'2026-2027 okwetooroora district yoona.
Years ago, we started with 15, and I've seen them shrink to now 80. And like you were saying, when you compare the districts we have, Ntungamo should be regarded as a special district because the population is high, the schools are many. Sincerely, giving us 8 and you give a district like Obuhereza 8 also, or like you say, it is not fair.
It is not to agira umukoro gw'amaana ha district headquarter ogwo kufragging off abeegi bitu abakorwa muri Ntungamo district bakuza ha district quota system kushoma omu universities zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi bakuherwa government. Tuwaselecting abeegi 8 nibaza kuba batakushashura government rebashashura n'aba government sponsorship abazire twabamanyisa abazire basima bone bambaha ka transport n'ubwa shopping na pocket money.
Bamwe mu Abeebembezi bashobora ku district ya Ntungamo netunga kake okorwa mu government wagerageranisa na districts ezindi ahagwo kwerukwingana.
We have always been talking about advocacy. Ntungamo ko kwingana kushangana efu n'abana mukaka ngulima abantu 8 Ntungamo district ngunaruchigera kwingana na two counties of Ntungamo na Buremeise. That is a fair distribution of resources.
Ntungamo district ni district mpango mnonga nemuha district mpango mu Uganda kandi inabeegi bingi, so abeegi 8 nibabaho bake konka n'ora government nekwata district nk'ezindi konka tukabe tushaba ngo leaders bitu batuyambe rominge tushabe atisi batwongere habeegi abo kuba abeegi 8 aha district yona nibaba bake kuba kweyongeraho kikaha abeegi bingi omugisha.
Aba bongire bahereza yo kushaba kwabo aha government okubasa kwangusya obuhereza bw'abantu aba district ya Ntungamo.
So we are advocating two things on the same line. We are saying if the government cannot increase the number of benefits, especially the quota system, let it help us split the what? The district by policy. Kazare funemonana, Rushaje funemonana, Narame Jerebata, the funemonana.
Sometimes we select abantu on various programs, like even in the PDM, supporting abantu on government to following. So the only a deliberate program you can following abana in the universities they are going to study from.
Martin Wataho omuhwezi wa RDC omuri Ntungamo yemusiraka ahakunagijirwa kw'abaana babojo wanyuma yo kushanga ngu aha baana 8 batorinwe mushanju n'abeshiki.
Government ekayamba umwana w'umushi yamutero cut off points imazasyo omwana w'umuju bamaragenye hati kibaza ngo abakazi baza kutushwera baza kutushwera the culture of our tradition neza kurugaho zoko stachini families.
What we request you n'okujangwa ebendera y'ishomero ryawe izahi ebendera ya district yawe gira ki ware washuma nari yagira ki yashuma. But to the head teachers nimba hamzanga local government ya Ntungamo, we shall continue doing this. We shall invite you because nimo muturekere kimwe gikorwa.
Bamwe habatunge barhezi basima government ahagwo kubijika hekabakwataraho.
Kunahurire ngo umwana wanje bamwita amasemererwa gunagizire okusemerwa nkarra mbwenu abwa amasemererwa mingi nkasima mukama na inabire ndi ebigambo byamburra mbwenu mukama yebare.
I'm really so happy to have been able to be called on district quota of Ntungamo district. So I'm one of the students who have been called for district quota. I'm going to Makerere University of Business Studies. I was really too happy for having been called.
ubu hata abana munana batorinwe barimo Rina Kandinda, Friday Boaz, Prosen Wasima n'abandi okuzo matendekero gahigura gatarukushana kandi nibija kushomera busha mpaka bamazira imyaka 3 gasha kwa Samuel Ahumuzo muri Ntungamo aha bwa TR West.